Winter is the perfect time to cozy up your home. Let's transform your space with stylish winter-inspired tile and home upgrades. From snowy days to sunny skies, these ideas will add a touch of warmth and elegance all year long. Let's dive in. Want a winter wonderland all year round? White or icy gray tiles can create a shimmering snowy effect. They're the perfect base for any seasonal decor, making your home look fresh and inviting. Shades of blue, from cerulean to deep navy, bring the tranquil beauty of a frozen lake into your home. Soft blue glass tiles create a calming oasis, especially with an iridescent finish, perfect for winter vibes. For a bold, moody look, go with darker blue porcelain tiles. Pair them with wood accents and dark fixtures to make a statement. Green tile brings the outdoors in. Its natural tones evoke winter landscapes, adding warmth and freshness to your home. Perfect for indoors and out, green tile creates a serene, inviting space all year round. Mix textures and materials for a cozy winter look. Natural stone fireplaces, plush fabrics, and large format tiles create a warm, inviting space. Wood-look tiles add natural beauty and practicality. Experiment with different tile styles to create a unique and charming home. Your tile choices should balance function and ambience. Imagine warm, underfoot heating beneath sleek stone tiles, a cozy, stylish touch. You also don't want to overlook grout as a design feature. Dark grout adds contrast and depth, while lighter shades create a brighter feel. And with larger tiles, fewer grout lines mean a cleaner, more seamless look. Keep these details in mind to craft the perfect vibe for your space. Add a fire feature to your backyard for year-round warmth and ambience. Cozy up on chilly nights or entertain friends on summer evenings. It's the perfect way to upgrade your backyard. Refresh your space seasonally by swapping out pillows, cushions, and accents. For winter, try bold patterns like plaid or snowflakes. In spring, go for pastels and florals. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to update your outdoor and home decor without replacing big-ticket items. This winter, elevate your home with these sophisticated tile ideas and seasonal upgrades. From icy whites, grays, and earthy greens to mixing textiles, these ideas will provide timeless style to your home. Don't overlook details like grout, pillows, or a cozy fire feature to transform your space into a winter-inspired wonderland you'll love year-round.